So I'd say that CSPD has really been a valuable resource for me here at the Fox School. It has helped me kind of navigate my way through and figuring out what's the next step for me professionally.
CSPD runs a wide array of programs that help you prepare for everything leading up to the interview and for day one of the job. So I've taken advantage of doing mock interviews and one-on-one sessions with CSPD staff to help better prepare me for these experiences.
CSPD has been very important, very helpful for me to land a job in the States because as an international student who never had a full-time experience in the past, it really helped me set expectations for how to perform and how to stand out.
The services that I've taken advantage of so far is FoxNet, which is fantastic. There's lots of opportunities in terms of internships.
I used to always have weekly sessions with Jill, where we used to go over my resume and cover letters. She made me edit my resume almost 14 times before we got the final edit. She also introduced me to the concept of informational interviews.
I've actually utilized CSPD as an undergrad. I remember taking BA 100 with Janice, her teaching us how to write our resumes and then going through it, figuring out what are some key elements that we should include in our resumes, even just thinking about professional wear, which I had never been exposed to in the past.
I had a vision, a goal, which is to get a job after I graduate. CSPD helped me establish a path to achieve that goal.
CSPD has made me comfortable with networking with employers, networking with my colleagues, and really presenting myself in a way that I feel will help me be successful in my long-term career in HR.